The Chase Freedom Flex and Freedom Unlimited are cashback powerhouses. But to maximize them, you need to know how their bonus categories work. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. The Freedom Flex has rotating 5% cashback categories each quarter, like gas stations, grocery stores, or PayPal. You must activate these categories each quarter in your Chase account to earn the bonus. The Freedom Unlimited gives you 1.5% cashback on everything, with no activation needed. Both cards also offer bonus cashback on dining, drugstores, and travel purchased through Chase. My crucial pro tip: set a calendar reminder to activate quarterly bonuses. The single biggest mistake Freedom Flex users make is forgetting to activate their 5% categories. Put a recurring reminder in your phone for the first day of each quarter. It takes 10 seconds in the app and can mean $50 plus in extra cashback. Turn your everyday spending into significant cashback with a simple strategy. Do you prefer the simplicity of 1.5% on everything, or the work and reward of rotating categories? For more guides on maximizing credit card rewards, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.